After a much deeper bearish retracement, we now have a possible double bottom reversal developing. There is trading and even a close over its upper boundary, but there's no sustained move higher after that, and now there's a reversal back to the base of the pattern, around the 50% retracement level of the previous uptrend, which also lines up with the last pullback and bullish continuation area of the uptrend. The base of support continues to hold for a third upswing, but once again that upper boundary of short-term resistance is not decisively passed. So definitely no transition to a triple bottom reversal range. As the chart gradually slides down, we can add a Fibonacci time zone based on the duration of the first downswing in this trend. The time zone lines generally mark segments of the failed double and triple bottom reversal range, to highlight the literal decline of the once promising support range, down towards this new lower boundary, concentrating on the 0.618 retracement level and lining up along the range of the last upswing point in the uptrend. And although support is holding up firmly, there is a noticeable decline pressing down on it that can point to a bearish advantage in terms of the development of a descending triangle continuation, which naturally has a better chance of completing as long as the chart keeps closing under that downtrend line of the triangle approaching the next time zone line. And in fact, just like the failed double and triple bottom reversal range, the time zone lines continue to be quite useful in marking the development of this downtrend continuation. At the intersection of the triangle's base with the number 5 time zone line, there's that decisive large red candle closing well below the base of the triangle, for another case of support that was likely to fail. To learn more about topics discussed in this video, such as Fibonacci tools and chart patterns, along with other technical analysis topics like indicators, please stay tuned and check out the hundreds of instructional videos I've already made.